Are you tired of not getting views on your videos? Are you tired of people not clicking on your video when you know it's extremely good? Let me talk to you about your titles. We're going to talk about 3 pitfalls of titles today and how to avoid these. We want to avoid these pitfalls. Let's get right to it. All right. Number 1, the title is indistinguishable from the thumbnail. It's completely indistinguishable. It's the same thing. This might be okay to do from time to time, but your thumbnail says Best Bible Study Tools, and your title says Best Bible Study Tools, and there's really nothing appealing because of that. There's nothing that makes it stand out from other people's titles and thumbnails, so they're not going to click. Number 2, the title is boring. It's just boring. I hate to say it, it's boring. Best Bible Study Tools. Think about how you can trigger emotion. Think about how you can get some curiosity. These Bible study tools will change your life. These Bible study tools change the way I study the Bible. Best Bible study tools ever. Any way you can emphasize something in the title that is certainly true, that can be emphasized, then you want to do it. Number 3, the algorithm title. This is the one that's geared toward the YouTube algorithm that you're like, well, I got to put these these certain keywords in here, but it's not addressed to a human. Everything needs to be geared toward a human. Yeah, there are keywords, of course, that we can put in our titles, and that can be helpful, but don't start it out that way. Have the title be to a person. You're going to have a person click on this. And so you can put those different keywords maybe later on in the title, but don't put them as those first 50 characters or so. You want to make sure that is geared toward a human. So like, you won't believe what I learned from these tools. These Bible study tools helped me do this. Anything that triggers some kind of curiosity. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about that, I'm going to send you to a video where I go much more in depth. It's right here. I talk all about titles and thumbnails. My name's Adam Mark. This is Get the Word Out, helping you get the Word of God out to the masses. I deal with the theology and practice of online ministry. Glad to meet you. I'll see you in this video.